Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing slow download speed on the PS5 instantly. Place the PS5 on a clear table with good airflow. Make sure the PS5 is powered on and connected to the internet. On the PS5 home screen, move the controller to the settings icon. Open settings and scroll down to network. Select network and then open connection status. Press test internet connection to confirm current PS5 download speed. If the PS5 shows slow download speed, we will now fix it. Return to the network menu on the PS5. Select Setup Internet Connection. Highlight your Wi-Fi network on the PS5 list. Press the Options button on the PS5 controller. Choose Advanced Settings. Change the DNS setting to Manual on the PS5. Enter Primary DNS 8.8.8.8 on the PS5. Enter Secondary DNS 8.8.4.4 on the PS5. Save these settings and return to the PS5 network screen. Run Test Internet Connection again on the PS5. If the PS5 speed improves slightly, continue to the next step. Now move to your router physically. Gently unplug the power cable from the router. Leave the router powered off for 30 seconds. While waiting, unplug the PS5 power cord from the back. Wait 10 seconds to fully power cycle the PS5. Plug the router power cable back in. Wait for the router to fully stabilize its lights. Now plug the PS5 power cord back in and turn on the PS5. When the PS5 loads, return to network and settings. Run test internet connection again on the PS5. If using Wi-Fi, consider switching to LAN cable on the PS5. Locate a LAN cable and connect one end to the router. Connect the other end to the LAN port on the PS5. The PS5 should automatically detect wired connection. Run the speed test again on the PS5. Download speeds on the PS5 should now be faster. Next, open settings again on the PS5. Go to Save Data and Games/App Settings. Select Automatic Updates on the PS5. Turn off auto download during gameplay to reduce slowdowns on the PS5. Now return to the main PS5 dashboard. Move to the current download in the PS5 download queue. Press the Options button on the PS5 controller. Pause the download on the PS5. Wait 5 seconds. Resume the download on the PS5. The PS5 should now re-establish a faster server path. If multiple downloads exist, pause all except one on the PS5. More downloads running equals slower speed on the PS5. Next, place the PS5 closer to the router if using Wi-Fi. Keep the PS5 away from walls or metal surfaces. Ensure no devices are streaming heavily on the same network. The PS5 needs dedicated bandwidth for large downloads. If possible, activate 5 GHz Wi-Fi for the PS5. Go to Setup Internet Connection again on the PS5. Select your 5 GHz network if available. Connect and confirm stable signal strength on the PS5. Run the speed test once more on the PS5. You should now see a major improvement in download speeds on the PS5. Take a moment to let the PS5 finish updating at full speed. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy faster downloads on your PS5.